Hi, this is Shubhangi Umapati, founder Tulips and Daffodils. Tulips and Daffodils completely focuses on natural soil for your plants to grow well so that you get a healthy lifestyle through soil. So this is all about tulips and daffodils, and I would like to share my interesting chutney recipe today in which I create at home, and instant it is. So what you have to take a kadai, put your oil and onion, or I mean just big cubes of onion and big cubes of tomato, two to each, which five people can consume, and imli, tamarind, little small piece of tamarind, then salt and other masalas like chili powder, garam masala powder, little pinch of garam masala powder, and dhania powder, and asafoetida, and turmeric powder. Toss it well so that all the everything blends inside, and two red chilies, dry chilies, also to be added with the oil. Toss it well and allow, once they blend, and once the onion and the tomato is half cooked, leave them, allow them to cool, then put them in mixer and completely grind them. The chutney will be really tasty for those chapatis. Sometimes you can also have it in your raw rice. You can mix it and have it. So this is one interesting recipe, and this takes not more than 5 minutes. And cooling down time depends upon your room temperature, or you can also keep them under fan to cool more. So this is one interesting recipe which I would like to share. Thank you so much. This is Shubhangi Uma.